Today we're going to install a new battery on a 2013 Acura TL. Alright, first thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and pick up the battery. The tools that you will be needing for this is just going to be a 10mm socket. So let's go ahead and get started. We're first going to put this plastic container on top of the battery. Let's go ahead and set the battery properly first. Alright, there it is. Now we have a number of pieces we have to put back together. Let's go ahead and start off with this. It's going to go right over the battery here. Let's go ahead and remove our terminal covers. We're going to first put in our positive terminal in through here, then set it in here. Then we're going to grab our negative terminal and put it in. Now we're going to go ahead and secure both of these with a 10mm socket. Start off by securing the positive first. Alright, and just secure them. Not too tight, but tight enough. Let's go ahead and put this piece back on. And this just goes right in here. And right through there. And this sits right up there. Alright, and we're going to use these retainer clips to go ahead and clip everything down and secure this battery. Alright, just like so. And go ahead and press it down. And let's do the rest of them. Alright, once you have this secured, let's go ahead and grab this other piece and just go ahead and sit it in here. And we're going to adjust it all the way up here. And this is going to slide right in here, just like so. Put this down here, like that. This is going to go right underneath this one. Just like so. It looks like there's a clip here, but we don't have the clips. But there it is. And that is how you install a battery on a 2013 Acura TL. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.